dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Good morning. Look at my hair. This is what you look like when you wake up after editing and playing with your channel and description boxes and tags and everything. Working on your YouTube channel until midnight after you were up at 4 a.m. When I went to sleep, my eyes were burning. My lens is dirty. I wanted to show you the apple crisp coffee that I got from Aldi. It smells amazing. Like, it really does. It smells really good. So what I did, now I know it's apple crisp and you're like, but Nacine, you got a caramel coffee too. I did, but I added caramel into this one. So I have my I just want to drink coffee and be left alone mug. I brewed some of this and I added in some caramel nut pod and a couple drops of the, what is it called? Hold on. I don't remember what it's called. Sweet drops of stevia. This is the caramel flavor. I don't necessarily like those. They're the only flavored stevias that I can find at a local grocery store. So I deal with them. Next time I purchase, I'm just gonna purchase on Amazon. But I added in a couple of those and it definitely has a caramel apple taste and it's pretty good. I am going to enjoy my coffee. I'm going to open my planner. I'm going to see what I'm doing, what I need to do. I know I need to film 2 collabs today. Two collabs today. One with Jess and one with Aaron. So I need to figure out what time schedule. You know, I'm trying to be more organized. And I bought this at the start of the year and I made it thicker. I recently got the planning inserts, budget planners. So, and Jess actually used to be really into the Happy Planner stuff, and I don't have that much. I have one sticker booklet and then some stuff that came with it and then like one thing of washi tape. She's actually going to send me all of her old stuff, which is super exciting for me because like I'm trying to get into it. I'm trying to use it to stay more organized and keep track of what I need to do YouTube wise and bill wise, because I have so many things floating around my head and it's hard for me to keep up on things. And my boyfriend always says, that's what you have a phone for. There's a notepad, put it into your phone. Your phone's always in your hand, you're always on your phone. But I never remember to look in it. It's just not helpful. It doesn't help me remember it. I don't know why. If I write it down and I have something visually sitting here on the table that I had to use the motions to write down. I mean, I have these things everywhere. I have a board over there. It's a calendar that I put everything on. I have it in 2 different places in here. Like, I need the constant writing. My kids are watching Borderlands 3 gameplays. I'm so sorry if that's still loud in the background. But that's what I need. So, I'm gonna try to do some meal prepping today. And I already cleaned the house. Like, I woke up and I immediately started cleaning. After, well, I watched 2 videos. I watched Aaron's videos and I watched Jess's video. And then I started cleaning. I still have to take a shower, make myself look presentable, record some videos. But first I'm gonna enjoy my coffee and go over my planner. And I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys. I just found out that my aunt has breast cancer. And they don't know the stage. They just know that it's spreading. So it's kind of just, I don't know. Just kind of wanted to share that with you. And I got a lot of receipts to scan right now to fetch rewards. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll take a shower. I love days like this. Cool, crisp, rained earlier. I wish it was still raining. Look at my plants. My cacti. My succubus. My Venus flytrap. Look at how cute it is. It's so cute. Look at it. I'm waiting for a little fly to get in there. And then I'm trying to do my receipts. And I got this guy sleeping on top of my happy planner. And I keep getting told the people want to see more Link. People want to see more Linky Link. People like you, buddy. Hey, say hi. You say hi. You're looking much better. We brushed you so many times. Getting all those tufts off of you. Huh. Look at that little pink nose. You want to pick a treat? You want to pick a treat? I have all these treats that Link does not really like. All these. He don't like any of them. Look at, he won't take anything out of there. Get a treat. It's so hard to find treats that he likes. We had these little Oreo cookies. Sometimes he eats those. I don't know what he took, but he probably won't eat it. These things, they came from a bark box. They're like really expensive. We used to get bark box. He didn't like them. All these treats came from bark box except for like these big bones, which is gingerbread. And he wants nothing to do with that. See, he didn't eat that. He just came back to pick up something else that he's not going to eat. He's just going to chew on it and drop it. Oh, he does like these little bones. Okay. They're like some apple. Alright, no more. Some apple type thing. You got a treat, buddy. All done. We all done. I'll tell you what treat he absolutely loves. Why is there one Oreo on my counter? Peanut butter. He loves this. There's one left. Sit. Go sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Come here. Oh, you dropped it. You love cheese hot dogs. Do you love cheese hot dogs? This is why you don't like your treats. No, he doesn't get hot dogs that often. But I'm weird. I don't like hot dogs if they sit out too long. Oh my, you guys. I'm not talking to you again until I look nice. I'm such a procrastinator today. I finally used up the rest of this caramel nut pods. I made, what did I do with it? Did I put that away? I didn't put that away, did I? I did put that away. I made a cup of coffee with the Bones Cinnabon. I do have, like, if you use my code, then I get like money off of my next order and stuff, so it's down there somewhere. But yeah, I use that. Cooking some sausage. I use that and the coconut skinny syrup in the cinnamon with the caramel nut pods. It's delicious. Got some eggs out because guess why? I'm gonna make a chaffle and it's gonna be delicious. And then maybe I'll go take a shower. I'm making the kids some breakfast truffles too, but this one's mine. It's got 1.5 pieces of sausage, shredded or cheddar cheese, and a round egg. Looks pretty good. I'm cooking my sausage in the air fryer and just tugging along down the assembly line, drinking my coffee. Never gonna take a shower. Alright guys, this is dinner. You'd think I would have learned my lesson the very first time with the onions and green peppers and the steak, because I'm pretty sure that's what gave me heartburn, but I didn't. However, I did use less this time, and I have this honey G. Hughes sauce, barbecue sauce. I'm obsessed with that with steak, you guys. I got a nice little steak here, and then I'm really excited to eat this salad. Ranch dressing, tomato, there's some cheddar cheese in there, hemp seeds, flax seeds, salt, pepper, spinach, and cucumber, and iceberg lettuce. This is dinner. Besides this, all I've had today is that breakfast chaffle sandwich and 2 cups of coffee. So I'm pretty good. This is a nice meal and I'm looking forward to eating it. Gonna edit some videos. Bye guys. Have a good night.